So our next topic is here logical operators in Python. In earlier section, we discussed about relational and established relationship among the value. But here we will discuss the logical operator. So what are the logical operators in Python? The or, and not are the logical operators in Python. So this is a table, truth value testing. Suppose that operands are none, then it will your boolean value for non is your false boolean value is false, zero of any numeric type, suppose 0 0.00 in this type of operand the boolean value is false. Any empty sequence, for example double quotes, a parenthesis, square bracket, these are gives you false. Next, an empty mapping, for example, opening curly brace, curly brace gives you false. So, if in your operand these are the 0 0 parenthesis, double quotes, square bracket, ये अगर ऐसा कुछ वैल्यू है देन उसका वैल्यू लेता है false and any other value are considered as true. So depending upon this table, let us see how logical operation works in Python. So see here, this is first we'll discuss OR operator in Python. The OR operator combine two expression which make it operand, and the OR operators works in this way. Relational expression as operand and number or string or list as operand. So relational expression as operand that means when OR operator has its operand and relational expression that is p is greater than q, j is not equal to k, etc., then the OR operator perform as per following principle. First is suppose this is x and y are two operand and OR is the operator. First x expression return false, y expression return false, then this expression return false. So this is the truth table. If x expression returns false, y expression returns true, the OR operator returns true. If x expression returns true, so true, false, true, 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 true. So when the both the operand are return value true, then the OR operator returns true. So in this way, let us see 4 equal to that is 4 equals to 4. This is a relational expression. This will return you true. And 5 is equal to 8. This expression return false. So if it is true and it is false, what is the OR operator returns? So what is the OR operator returns? It will result true because first expression is true. So first expression is true. In OR operator, if any one of the expression returns true, then the OR operator returns true. So results in true because the first expression is true. So next 5 is greater than 8 and or 5 is less than 2. 5 is greater than 8, it is false. 5 is less than 2, it is also false. So if both the expression return false, it will give you the return false. So if the operators are number, string and list of operators, list as operand, if the operands are number, string and list of operand, then this is the truth table. So in case of if x and y are both number, string and list, then if x return false, if y return false, if x return false, then the result will be और value का result को होगा it will return y operand. If x expression or x returns true, then the or operator result x. Okay, so this is a truth value. T value means truth value. False truth value. T value. So this is the truth table of or operator when x and y are number, string or list of operand. So in this way, we will discuss this 0 or 0. This is false. When x return false, what is the value of or operator? See this table. You will refer this table always. When x return false, it will the or value gives the value of y. Second operand. So if both are false, then it will give the value 0, 0 or 8. So first is returns 0 and this is your true. So if first is false, then it will give the value of y. So that's why it will result into 8. Then 5 returns true and 0.0 returns false. So when x returns true, it will give the value of x. So the value of x is 5, so it will 5. Hello, and this is single quotes mark, the return false, and this is a string, it will return true. So when x is true, it will give the value of x. So what is the value of x here? Hello. So first operand is the output. This is single quote or a. So when it is false, when the first is false, the y will be the output. So this is very important. We have to analyze such questions where these are the important question. What will be the output of the following code? So you have to be careful about this, and always when the operand are value, uh, when the operand are your list or number or string, then we have to follow this truth table. And according to this truth table, we have to analyze this. Another is your AND operator. This is just the opposite of OR operator. So the truth value is when x returns false, it will gives the value of x. When x returns true, it will give the value of y. So if x and x false, when x return false, it will give the value of x. When x returns true, it will give the value of y. Just ulta of OR operator. So in this way, so when it is this one gives true and 4 is equal to 4, this is true, and 5 is equal to this is false. So this false means it will returns the value x, the value of x. So the value of x is here your true. So it will give you the value true. Both operand result into false because first expression is true but the second expression is false. So both operand have to result into true in order to have the final result as true. So next one is in this way, according to the truth table, we have to analyze this. So when in an AND operator, when the operand are number, string, and list of operand, then this is the truth table. So when the x return false, it will give the value of x. When the x return true, it will give the value of y. Next, consider the NOT operator. The Boolean logical NOT operator works on single expression on operand. It is a unary operator. The logical NOT operator negates or reverses the truth value of the expression following it. If the expression is true, then NOT expression is false, and vice versa. Unlike AND OR operator, it can return number of or a string or a list, etc. As a result, the NOT operator returns solely Boolean value true or false. So when not a 5, the value of return value of 5 is true, so not it will give you false, result into false because 5 is a non-zero value. Not of 0, it will give you true because 0 का होता है false, so not of false means it will give you true. Result into because 0 is true. Not minus 4 result into false because minus 4 is non-zero plus 2. Not 5 is greater than 2 results into false because the expression 5 is greater than 2 is true. Not 5 is greater than 9 results into true because the expression 5 is greater than 9 is false. So next is note the logical operator x or y. So it will result. If x is false, then y return as result or else for x. Notice it or only evaluate the second argument if the first argument is false. So और अपने अगर फर्स्ट एलिमेंट फॉल्स रिटर्न करेगा देन ओनली इट विल इवैल्यूएट द सेकंड expression x and y. If x is false, then x as result, then else y. If and only evaluate the second argument if the first one is true. Not x. If x is false, then return true as a result and false. Not has a lower priority than non-boolean operator. Chain comparison operator. While discussing logical operator, Python has something interesting to offer. You can chain the multiple comparison which are like certain version of larger Boolean expression. Let us see how. Rather than writing is one is less than two and two is less than, you can write one is less than two is less than, which the changed version of earlier Boolean expression. The above statement will check if one was less than two and if two was less than three. Let us look at the few examples. One is less than two is less than three is equivalent to this one. So from chain comparison, that means if this one is less than two and two is less than three, it is equivalent to one is less than two and two is less than three. So you have to evaluate like this. So first if it gives it is false and this is also this is true, this is true. When both the operand returns true, then AND operator returns true. So in this way you can write down this chain expression into this one. Next is bitwise operator. Python also provides another category of operator, bitwise operator. which are similar to the logical operator except that when works on a smaller scale on binary representation of data, bitwise operator are used to change individual bit in operand. Python provides following bitwise operator. Bitwise operator is ampersand, then operation bitwise and use op1 and op2. Description: the AND operator compare two bits and generate a result of 1 if both bits are 1, otherwise it returns 0. Operator 1 bitwise or op1 and or op1 or op2. The or operator compare two bits and generate a result of 1 if the bits are complementary, otherwise it returns 0. Then this is your operator bitwise XOR op1 XOR op2. The exclusive or operator compare two bits and returns 1 if the either of the bits are 1, it gives 0. If both bits are 0, it will gives 1. So bitwise complement operator negation of op1. So op1 का operator अगर true होगा तो negation of op1 is false. If negation of false is true, the complement operator is used to invert all the bits of the operand. Next is the AND operator. So this is here the truth table of AND operator. If OP1 and OP2 both are 0, output will be 0. If 0 and 1, it will give 0. If 1 0, it will give 0. So if in case of AND operator, if both the operand gives 1, then only the result will be 1. Otherwise, other cases value is 0 आएगा. So for AND operation, 1 and 1 produce 1, any other combination produce 0. You have to remember this truth table. So, okay. The inclusive OR operator, this is the truth table of OR operator: 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 1. So when in the OR inclusive OR operator, when both the operand are 0, then only the it will result will be 0, or any other combination it will gives 1. For OR operation, 0 or 0 produce 0, any other combination produces 1. The exclusive or XOR operator. Exclusive OR means that if the two operand bits are different, the result is 1. Otherwise, result is 0. The following table 8.1 show the result of an exclusive OR operation. Next one is OP1 OP2 result 0 0 0. This is exclusive OR 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 0. The XOR operation 1 XOR 0 produces 1 as does 0 XOR 1. All these operations are commutative. Any other combination produces 0. The complementary operator 0 gives you 1. This is the truth table of complementary operation. If it is 0, result will be 1. If it is 1, result will be 0. Just opposite. So you have to remember this truth table. Then operator precedences. These are the operators. When an expression or statement involves multiple operator, Python involves the order of execution through operator precedence. The chart of operator precedence from highest to the lowest for the operator covered in this chapter given below. So operator, these are the operator parenthesis, exponentiation. So suppose in an expression, these are the operators, then the precedence of which operator have to evaluate first. So this is the priority. This is lowest to highest to lowest. So when in an expression, if there is a parenthesis, then the priority is highest. When when it is exponentiation, the priority is highest. So according to this parenthesis, exponentiation bitwise, positive, negative, multiplication. So this is or bottom to top to bottom. These are the highest to lowest priority. Next is operator associativity. So suppose we have to evaluate this expression, then according to the highest to lowest priority, it will evaluate. So here in this case, if in this expression parenthesis is there, so inner parenthesis will evaluate first, then the outer parenthesis, then the outer parenthesis. So likewise, all this statement will evaluate. So here also this is exponentiation operator is used. So if the statement, if the expression is like 2 exponentiation 3 exponentiation 4, it will be evaluated as 2 exponentiation then bracketed 3 exponentiation 4 and not as this one. So it will be evaluated from right to left. So here only if it is like this 3 asterisk 3 asterisk 2, if in the result will be this, but you can write like 3 asterisk राइट टू लेफ्ट, तो इसको एक तो ब्रैकेट में डाल देने से भी सेम नंबर आएगा, लेकिन अगर तुम राइट से अगर इसको ब्रैकेट दे दोगे तो इसका वैल्यू अलग आ रहा है. सो सी द default order of evaluation first expression matches with the second expression where parentheses are added as a by right to left associativity order, not like the third expression that has parentheses from left to right order because expression has right to left associativity. So right to left always the associativity will be evaluated right to left. So what will be the output produced by the following code? These are the so you have to evaluate. Okay, so see these all examples, and this is your completion of your operator in Python. Thank you.